Hey, I'm Johannes of NewGadgets.de, and in this video we're going to have a look at the new Apple iPhone XS Max, the bigger brother of the XS, in this new gold color. And there will also be a short comparison with the Apple iPhone X and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So let's start. So over here we have the box of the XS Max. As you can see, Apple is really proud of their display. And when we compare it to the iPhone X box over here, you can see it looks a little bit unspectacular in comparison with the XS Max. Let's unbox the new phone, and the first thing you will see is of course designed by Apple in California. So we have some papers over here, let's check it out. It's some user manuals, and we have the SIM card tool, and of course also the two Apple stickers that always come with Apple products. And here's the Apple iPhone XS Max in gold, the new color that was introduced. It looks pretty cool, but we're going to have a look at it later. We're still in the unboxing. So we have the headphones here, the Apple EarPods, the AC adapter, the USB to Lightning cable to charge your phone, and that's it. Nothing else in the box, and you will notice that there's not the adapter from Lightning to 3.5mm for your headphones anymore. You can still buy it in the Apple Store, but I think it would have been nicer if it's still in the box. I'm done with the setup, so let's check out the phone. So as you can see, it is quite big, and I'm not a fan of the Plus version of the iPhone 8 or 7 or 6. And yeah, it is pretty big for my hand. As you can see, I cannot reach. It is easier for me with the smaller version, the iPhone XS, so this is the iPhone X, to reach everything. So I really got used to this one. When I go back to my iPhone 6 that I also have at home, it really feels small compared to the iPhone X. But if you're into big phones, I think you should take a look at the XS Max. So let's compare the sizes. As you can see over here on the side, the thickness is about the same. When you put them together, you can see the size difference, 5.8 and 6.5 inch. And if you're asking yourself, what's the difference of the XS and the XS Max? It is just the size. So camera, etc. is both the same, just the size is different. So if you're into bigger phones, you should take a look at the XS Max. And here a small comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, 6.4 inch. So the screen is slightly smaller, but I think you don't see that really. But we have bezel over here on the top and the bottom. So when you put them together, you will see that the Note 9 is slightly taller, but from the width, it is about the same, I have to say. Also from the thickness, I have to say they're both equal. There will also be a detailed comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the iPhone XS Max, because I'm going to take both phones to a road trip, and I will also, of course, take a look at both cameras to see which camera is better. And here a comparison with the iPhone 7 Plus. As you can see, both devices are about the same size. So let's check out the gold, and that's why I got this phone. I have to say it looks pretty cool, very elegant over here, also with some like a rose gold touch over here in comparison my iPhone X in white. I have to say it looks really cool. Also here, over here, of course, on the camera in this gold, and here again a direct comparison. I have to say it looks pretty cool. So that was my unboxing of the new Apple iPhone XS Max. If you have any questions about this device, just leave me a comment down in the comment section below, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!